hummus, beloved all over the world for its creamy deliciousness and versatility. Yet another source of tension. Who invented the dish? Who can claim it as their own? Many have tried in the Middle East. Most of the ingredients have been around for centuries. The chickpea dates back more than 10,000 years in Turkey and is one of the earliest legumes ever cultivated. And tahini, the sesame paste that is vital for hummus, is mentioned in 13th century Arabic cookbooks. But the combination of the ingredients that make up the popular dish is even harder to pin down. Everyone from the Lebanese and the Turkish and the Syrians have tried. According to some, it is a Jewish food, believed to have been mentioned in the Hebrew Bible. There are also claims that it was first cultivated in northern India or Nepal, but there is little evidence for any. The now legendary hummus wars began in 2008 when Lebanon accused Israel of cashing in on what they believed should have been Lebanon's legacy. In 2009, the Lebanese Minister of Tourism decided that the way to settle the matter once and for all was for Lebanon to make a plate of hummus so large it would be recognized by the Guinness Book of World Records. The goal was achieved and the record set with a plate of hummus that weighed around 10,452 kilograms, the number of square kilometers of Lebanon. They have held the record since 2010. Despite this record, hummus is a Middle Eastern food, claimed by all and owned by none. Even the name, even the spelling of hummus is contestable. But one thing that cannot be contested is the deliciousness and versatility of the dish that transcends all culture, all borders, all politics, and brings people together. So many of you are probably used to buying hummus from the supermarket, and as good as it is, well, rather as bad as it is, store-bought anyway, it's still good somehow, right? But now once I teach you how to make hummus from scratch, and you see how easy and delicious it is, you're never going to want to buy store-bought again. Yeah, it's just going to be a game changer, so stay tuned. For ingredients, you'll need raw chickpeas, please. Canned chickpeas just don't taste the same. Tahini, which is sesame paste, and you can find in most supermarkets. Fresh garlic, fresh lemon, extra virgin olive oil, ground cumin, salt, and black pepper is optional. It's not typical. It's not traditional, but I like to use a little black pepper in my hummus. Oh my god, guys, it's so delicious. It has a little bit of a kick to it because of the garlic, and I love it that way. But again, if you don't like it that way, you can just put a little less garlic. I use 3 cloves. You could use just 2 or 1, but oh, also all the flavors, and I added some chili, so it's so good. So I hope you try it at home. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. It is so good. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and please again subscribe if you like this video, like and hit the bell notification, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.